Welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to another one of our little tech tip thingies. This time it's changing your handlebar grips. So welcome back, welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to our tech tip about changing handlebar grips. Now just recently I've seen a lot of people making like really difficult work of how to get on with this using airlines, and basically it is quite a tricky thing to do unless you know this little trick that I do. Unfortunately it's not one of those things that's quite well known. I got taught it by a guy who was well older than me when I was a kid, when I was a boy, and he kind of put me straight in no uncertain terms on how to do this. So it's a fairly straightforward operation. The trick is, and the thing is with Aprilias, if you have a quick look at Aprilias, the throttle side, the actual throttle tube side of things, is actually ribbed. So it comes, when you buy a fresh set of grips, it comes with the throttle tube and the grip already assembled. Trying to put aftermarket grips onto an Aprilia can be quite tricky because you have to shave down the tube then becomes weak, you end up with a whole world of pain. So if you want to change your throttle grip, or if you want to change the handlebar grips or the throttle assembly, then change it for an aftermarket one. We do have those in the website. Right, here we go then. So what we've got is a brand new set of these grips, the throttle tube included on this because these are Aprilia. So we'll just take these out of the packaging, pop that down there. Like I said to you before, if you have a quick look, the throttle tube is all part of the assembly when you buy a fresh set of grips. They're not expensive, and probably, I'm not going to sort of over exaggerate things, one of the nicest little modifications you can make to your bike to make it feel really fresh. So these ones here, that one there, obviously we're going to change that one over. Now in order to change this one over, then basically we've got to remove the furniture from the side of this here, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so there's a 6mm bolt in the end, which I can whip that off, put my tools down. Okay, so now 03 onwards, all of 2003 bikes, V-twins, V4s, if you undo the bar end weight, you've got a bar end mount that is screwed into the end. It's screwed into the end of the handlebar. Pre-2003, so 98 to 2002, there's like a weight which sort of sits in the inside. Sometimes you might have to find yourself holding the bar end weight and undoing it to stop everything from turning. But the one we've got here is for, okay, 03 onwards, 24mm spanner. Let's undo that. Whip this out, because obviously we want to change this. Okay, now this here is the trick that basically, he was a grumpy old git and I didn't like him very much.
Yeah, I'm a grumpy old man.
But never mind, it doesn't matter. So what I've found is, this is the trick. Use a long Phillips screwdriver. If you use a long Phillips rather than a flat blade, you're less likely to scratch anything. So run your screwdriver up inside the grip. We've got some brake cleaner here. We just run and make a right mess of that. Run the brake cleaner into there. Take the screwdriver out. And off it comes, just like that.
Oh my God! Wow!
No dramas. Right, fitting the new one, really, really simple. Little bit of that brake cleaner just to lubricate it as it goes on. Slide it on. Set it so it's, I kind of have to set this so it's not twisted. Leave that to dry, and that will dry absolutely rock solid.
Okay, so Griff's just about to get the bar end weight holders back on. I just want to give you my little tip. So there's nothing worse than your bar ends all put back on, fresh grips, you look at your bar ends, they're grotty. So just to let you know, we have got the standard ones in, or we've got the R&G ones in stock as well. We also do keep the spare caps just in case you scrub them up your garage door or wall or whatever.
Tighten that back up. bar end weight back on. Really straightforward. No faffing about with airlines or hairspray or anything along those lines. Once you've got your bar end weight down, just make sure you've got a little bit of a gap to make it look nice. Make it straight, and there you go. It's already stuck solid. Easy as that. Right, so as you can see, that is absolutely stuck solid. That's probably done within 2-3 minutes. That's absolutely stuck solid. That's how to change them without damaging, without scratching your bars, without damaging anything, without using airlines, without using hairspray, potato juice,
Potatoes.
or whatever you kind of the mythical legends of old tell you to use on this one. Dead straightforward. All these parts are available in the website, no problems. If you like what you see, if you've got any suggestions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can contact us, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can call us in the mornings. All emails are answered first thing in the morning. You can call us, no problems. Get in touch with us via all the usual social media platforms, no problems. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.